Okay, hello, my name's Jenny Tilley and I'm a biomaterials scientist at the University of Oxford. And today I'm going to talk to you about 3 materials that I think will play an important, if somewhat controversial role at London 2012 next year. Now, Olympic fever is building as people around the world anticipate the thrill of watching world-class athletes push their bodies to the limits in order to be faster, higher, stronger. But as a materials scientist, I have to wonder whether athletes would break so many records without the help of us materials scientists. So what is materials science? Well, materials science is the study of what gives materials their very specific properties. How can we play with the structure and composition of a material in order to control its properties? It's a subject that sits at the interface of science and engineering. We need scientists who understand all about atoms and atomic structure, and we need engineers who understand all about massive structures like bridges, cars, nuclear reactors. It also covers a very diverse range of topics. We have chemists, physicists and mathematicians, but we also have biologists, biochemists, computer scientists and design technologists. And we all cover real-life issues. We're all concerned with those things that affect the world around us every day. So what do materials scientists really do? Well, we can be split into 2 categories, those of science and those of engineering. And the scientists are concerned with controlling the atomic structure, so arranging atoms in a material and adding new atoms of maybe a different material in order to control the properties. And the main properties that they're concerned with are those of mechanical strength. So I have a picture on here of some carbon fibre, and you can see some fibres aligned in one direction and fibres aligned in another direction. And so carbon fibre is able to be strong in 2 directions. We're also concerned with the electrical properties. So I also have a picture on here of some carbon nanowires. Now these are made of atoms all arranged into very tiny little wires, and that means that they conduct electricity in one direction, which is exactly what we want from wires. And then I also have a picture up here about optical properties. And what I've got is a glass beaker made by the Romans that in normal light looks green, but when I put a candle inside it, shines red. And the reason for that is that the Romans added some tiny, tiny little particles, nanoparticles, of gold, and this changes the optical properties of the glass beaker.